Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, everyone. My name is Tasneem, and I'm one of the Qur'an teachers here at Jannah Institute. This fall, I look forward to teaching a beginner's level memorization course covering 3 surahs from the last part of the Qur'an, the 30th part, also known as Juz Amma. And well, this section of the Qur'an is very popular among students to memorize because the shorter verses and the rhythmic patterns at the end of verses make it easier to commit to our memory. What I particularly like about teaching this section of the Qur'an is that most of these surahs are part of the early revelation, meaning they were revealed to the Prophet ﷺ before his migration to Medina. And they serve a powerful reminder about why the Prophet ﷺ was sent to us in the first place, and why we need to think and reflect about our life after death and the day of Qiyamah and the day of resurrection that awaits us. And so in this life we're living in this dunya where we're surrounded by so much comfort and ease and distractions, it is very easy to forget the higher purpose of why we are here and the life that awaits us after death. And so I think particularly when you're memorizing the surahs from this part of the Qur'an and you're repeating these words of Allah over and over again to try to commit them to your memory, it is a powerful reminder and a transformational experience both at the same time. So I look forward to you joining us on this journey and having you in my class. Jazakumullahu khair wa barakallahu feekum.